In this video, we go over an important conversion reaction. The reaction is about the conversion of ethyne to ethane. By the way, in the previous lessons, I talked about the conversion of ethane to ethene and then ethene to ethine. And now in this video, I also summarize all the three conversion reactions in a cyclic way. That is starting from ethane, going through ethyne, and finally from ethyne to ethane. So it's a cyclic change. Let's start the reaction conversion of ethyne to ethane. Here addition reaction take place where ethyne in first step is converted to ethene with the hydrogen in the presence of a metal catalyst, that is nickel, at 250 degrees centigrade. Here the reaction take place at 250 degrees centigrade, and if we wish to carry out the reaction at room temperature, then we have to choose a more costly palladium or palladium catalyst. In this reaction, simply an addition reaction take place. Hydrogen to hydrogen is added to a carbon to carbon triple bond. So a carbon carbon triple bond is converted to carbon carbon double bond, and now ethene so formed is again hydrogenated with one more hydrogen molecule, and a carbon to carbon double bond is finally converted to carbon single bond. A highly saturated alkane, that is ethane, is eventually formed in this reaction. So the product is ethane. In presence of nickel catalyst, the above mentioned reaction take place from alkyne to alkane simultaneously. Means the two steps are just theoretical to understand the inside reaction mechanism, but practically the reaction is just conversion of ethyne to ethane. We have finally finished this cyclic change, starting from alkane to alkyne, go through alkyne, and finally from alkyne to alkane. Hope you understand the idea thoroughly. See you again in the next lecture. Express your views in comment box and do not forget to subscribe the channel.